Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the diamond egg or enough Robux. Once ready, open Adopt Me and buy or claim the egg immediately. You should place the egg into an incubator and begin hatching. Make sure to join a low-lag server so hatching time isn't interrupted. While the egg incubates, check your pet inventory space and clear a slot. Also enable trade confirmations and double-check your privacy. Once done, prepare to inspect the hatched pet for rarity and look for diamond traits. When the egg finishes, watch the full hatch animation without interrupting. This preserves any rare outcome. Immediately open the pet details to inspect for diamond sparkles, distinctive color highlights, or subtle particle effects that indicate the diamond variant. Once identified, rename and favorite the pet to lock it from accidental deletion. If trading, carefully open the trade window and compare both sides. Once you confirm diamond markers, begin negotiations while keeping screenshots as proof. Complete the process by securing the diamond penguin via a verified trade or inventory hold. Make sure you confirm with two-step trade confirmation. If the pet lacks diamond traits after hatching, cancel any pending trade and ask the seller for clarification or a refund. If purchased from the shop, request support. For common issues, relog, switch servers, or check Adopt Me server status. Keep screenshots and timestamps as evidence to speed up resolution. This prevents losing rare pets to mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.